how to change version of Minecraft. So first what you want to do is just open up the Minecraft launcher, then go to installations right here, and here you'll see an option to select new installation. So simply click on that, and here just input the name that you want. So I'm just gonna input the name of the version that I'm going to use. So I'm currently in 1.21.1, so the version that I'm going to use is version 1.20.5. So just click on that, and it's up to you if you wanted to change the game directory, but for me I'm just going to use the default one. And you'd also mess with the other stuffs right here, but I'm just gonna go with this and click on create if you're done here at the bottom right. Once that's done, you could either click on play right here. There you go, I forgot to change the name, but anyways, you could either play or click the play button right here, or go back here on the play panel or page, then click on the version here on the bottom left and click the version that you want to use. So this is the one that we installed, so simply click on play and wait for that version to install. So you can see it's preparing right there at the bottom. Now as you can see, once it's done installing, as you can see it says here at the bottom left, it's the version 1.20.5 of Minecraft. And that's how you basically change the version in Minecraft.